The ocean, covering more than 70% of our planet, home to billions of creatures, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. But what if all the fish suddenly disappeared? No sardines, no tuna, no clownfish, gone. Just like that. First, let's think about what happens immediately. Humans rely on fish as a primary food source. Over 3 billion people worldwide eat fish regularly. Without them, millions would lose their main source of protein overnight. The fishing industry, which employs over 60 million people globally, would collapse. Ports, markets, boats, all silent. But humans aren't the only ones affected. Countless marine animals depend on fish for survival. Sharks, dolphins, seals, penguins, suddenly starving, leading to massive die-offs. Fish aren't just food, they are crucial for ocean health. They control algae populations, clean coral reefs, and recycle nutrients. Without fish, algae blooms would explode, suffocating coral reefs. Entire ecosystems would collapse, causing a chain reaction across the oceans. And then there's the plankton. Fish help regulate plankton levels through predation. Without them, some plankton populations could grow uncontrollably, while others die off, affecting the entire ocean's food web. The effects wouldn't stop at the ocean. Fish help store carbon in the deep sea, slowing climate change. Without them, more carbon dioxide stays in the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. Even the air we breathe could be affected. Phytoplankton, tiny ocean plants, produce nearly half of the world's oxygen. They rely indirectly on fish for nutrient recycling. Without fish, oxygen levels could eventually drop. Yes, that includes the air above land. The world economy would take a massive hit. Fishing isn't just food, it's culture, tradition, jobs, and trade. Coastal communities, especially in developing countries, would be devastated. Hunger, migration, and even conflict could rise. And think about our meals. Sushi, fish and chips, tuna salad, gone forever. Could humans adapt? Possibly through farming alternative protein sources like lab-grown meat or insects. But it would take years to scale up to feed billions. Meanwhile, ocean ecosystems would struggle to recover. Some species might never come back. Visual, scientists in labs trying to grow food. So what if all the fish disappeared? The oceans would become ghostly graveyards, ecosystems collapsing, human societies shaken, and the planet itself changing forever. All because of creatures we often take for granted. Maybe the question isn't what if the fish disappeared, but what are we doing to make sure they don't?